close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, good afternoon. How you all doing? My name is Ameenah. If this is your first time of seeing me, I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by every time. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. I know you like what you see already, you know, see this fine face. Yeah, I will be glad if you can just click on the subscribe button. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to use your scarf to make hijab, just like something I'm wearing now, you know, something simple, not too elegant and all of that, just like what I'm wearing right now. And if you're interested in this video, please, you know, let's just get right into the video. I subscribed yet? Please click before we get into the video. Hi.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are